Hey guys, this week we're going to be looking at a D7 dump trailer with some custom options installed. Like many PJ dump trailers, this one starts with a 14,000 pound 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. We've upgraded the jack to our 10,000 pound drop leg model, which is a customer favorite option. For running gear, we have two of our 7K Dexter axles with the Easy Lube hub system. Now this D7 has a 14-foot bed and has been upgraded with cross members spaced to every 12 inches for extra durability. It also has a spare tire mount added on, as well as a split spreader gate in the rear. These gates allow you to load compact machinery while maintaining the ability to spray gravel and other mediums. I really want to highlight these removable 24-inch solid side extensions. They're great for hauling brush, trash, or any other sort of load that takes up some extra cubic yardage, yet they can be unbolted and removed for loads that don't require them. To keep everything in place, we've got our PJ Trailers tarp kit. This easy to deploy tarp kit is designed to store beneath the front edge of the trailer when not in use, which keeps it out of the way and protected from damage. For more information on this trailer and how you can customize it, check out the link in our description, as well as go to pjtrailers.com where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks guys.